When I talk about dog food, a lot of people immediately think it's all the same. Doesn't matter if it's for a dog or a cat. But nope, it's not that simple. Dogs have completely different nutritional needs, which is why the recipes are totally distinct. Sure, you might see similar ingredients in both types, but the ratios of proteins, fats, and carbs are specifically tailored to meet the needs of our four-legged friends. It all starts with selecting high-quality ingredients. Protein-rich meats like chicken, beef, or lamb go on the menu, alongside grains like barley, rice, oats, or wheat. Basically, the same stuff you'd find in your own kitchen. And of course, corn can't be left out. It's a real energy booster and provides dogs with essential carbs throughout the day. Next, all the ingredients are ground and precisely measured. Precision is key here. After all, every portion should be perfectly balanced later on. Then everything goes into huge industrial mixers, where the components are carefully blended. These massive mixers ensure every ingredient is evenly distributed. The result is a homogeneous mixture where every single bite later contains all the important nutrients. The mixing process continues until the separate ingredients turn into a fine, uniform powder, perfectly prepared for the next production phase. Now, things get technical. A so-called extruder shapes that powder into the familiar kibble. Using steam, the mixture is heated and pressed under high pressure through special molds that create those classic croquettes. After that, it's into a hot air dryer for about 25 minutes at around 149 degrees. This removes any excess moisture. Then, the pieces are sprayed with fat and flavorings. The fat adds extra energy, while the flavors enhance the smell and taste, turning those fairly neutral croquettes into a real delicacy. Once that's done, the finished bites land in huge silos. But before they're packaged, a sieve system filters out all the small crumbs, because nobody wants crumbled food in their dog's bowl. Experts know dogs actually prefer a higher fat content and like a mix of meat and grains rather than just grain meals. Too much meat flavor, on the other hand, can even be off-putting. And now for the fun fact, dogs are totally into a hint of sweetness. Just like us, they have their little preferences and can be surprisingly picky eaters, almost like true foodies. This love for balanced, tasty meals probably explains why, since the invention of dry dog food in 1860 by James Spratt, modern dog kibble has evolved into what we know today. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next episode.